Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain how a bad air filter can practically destroy your engine in the long run. Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you have one of those and you need to remove or replace air filters, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. We'll be demonstrating on a 3.6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure may be very similar as well. Now, air filter is very important to replace it. If you don't, you can actually run into different problems. Most people will not change it on time, and we'll explain how actually guys, how a bad air filter can practically destroy your engine in the long run. So make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on that dot charger. We'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your dot charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So specifically guys, 2018 dot charger that we'll be demonstrating on, you can see right here, this is the 3.6. this is the air filter box right here that we have. How do we get to the air filter? You have now two options. Some people will disconnect that hose right here, some will not. You can go either way. We'll try without disconnecting it. So right here we have 1, 2, 3 screws that we need to remove with 8mm socket. Do not unscrew them all the way. You can leave them in the top lid of the air filter box assembly. So check it out now. We're grabbing it. Okay, we're going to pull it to the side. Here you have a vacuum hose. Be careful, just pull it like that, grab the filter, and we'll explain what common mistakes people make here. This is the air filter. Now right here, let me show you. Clean everything here, and you get a vacuum and clean all that, so you don't want it to end up somehow in the engine. The air filter is very important. You need to replace it quite often. Check your service manual to see exactly how often, but if you don't, if it's really plugged up, that can even cause rich fuel mixture problems, because rich fuel mixture, it means that you have too much fuel, not enough air, that will be picked by the oxygen sensors right there, and as a result, okay, that can cause more trouble later, burn catalytic converters, oxygen sensors. If the filter falls apart, that dust and stuff gets in the engine and paper, that can destroy it. Even just fine dust over time will eat your cylinder walls, pistons, piston rings, and you will destroy your engine. That's why you need it guys. So change it on time. If you need to buy one for a good price and quick shipping, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get it from. If you want to see anything else specifically on dot charger, leave a comment below guys. We'll be more than glad if we have time to make that video, so we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other and we save money together. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.